In a bid to oppose the state government's solid waste management project at Mawlwai Bhoi district, the voice of local residents, leaders and elders of Madan Kyrdem, Eastern Bhoi district had come together to reiterate their stand on the relocation of the government-sponsored project to some other area. This move by the people of Madan Kyrdem has garnered support from various social organizations like the Bhoi Darbar, Bhoi Youth Federation, Voice of the People Bhoi District, the Eastern Bhoi Development Council and the village elders and Sardar under Madan Kyrdem. Those present during the meeting included prominent lawyer Erwin K. Sutanga, the General Secretary of Bhoi Darbar G.S. Shadab, the President of the RBYF Bipul Thangkhiu, and representatives of the Madan Kyrdem. At a public meeting on the 19th of February 2022 at NONGTHYMMAI village, a decision was arrived at where the implementation of the solid waste management project at Mawlwai was opposed by the entire gathering. An appeal was made to the state government to implement the same elsewhere outside of Bhoi district.